This is the only tom groove you're gonna ever need. You might want to do something different, but you only need this one. First of all, let's break this down because it sounds like there's more happening than there actually is. What we're going to do is basically play a straight 8 groove. So it normally sounds like this. Hi-hats on 8th notes, snare drum on 2 and 4, bass drum on 1 and 3. If you don't know how to play that, I suggest you learn that first, because all we have to do is move the right hand over to the floor tom, 1 and 2 and 4, and you've got a tom groove. It's a bit dry though, it gets a bit boring. So we need to get the left hand involved in some tom action, and we're going to do that first of all by putting a tom, the high tom, on the of beat 2. So if we go from beat 2, you get together, right, left, together, floor, high. And the count is 2 and 2 and 2 and if you want to think of it long, short, short, 2 and So introduce that into the groove. So you get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and it will fall in between your 8th note on the right hand. And lastly, we're going to add an extra left in on the E of 3. So we get 3 E and 3 E and 3 E and. Introduce that on top of beat 2, so we get 2 and 3 E and 2 and 3 E and. So notice there I just put a bass drum on 3 because that's where it falls naturally as well. So we then take it even slower, 2 and 3 E and. Get that flowing, 2 and 3 E and 2 and 3 E and put it back into context, 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 and 1, 2 E. And there you have it, the only tom groove you're ever going to need.